Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sin from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to my HurricaneForce Mindset review. As you can see right now, I'm ready access to everything about the product right here. You see here, I got everything here. So I will give you everything you need to know before you post the product. And I also put a lot of custom bonus that I would like to get you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this. Then you click to any earn button here. Then you go to the sale page. Look like this. And then you click to any earn button here. You can post the product. Okay. So the reason you need to click to the first link in the description of this video because hold my bonus here, I will give for you in my bonus page and also stick in the first link. Okay, so before we go to the folder about my bonus page about the product, so if you first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. So first thing first, what is the HurricaneForce Mindset, right? So you can see right now the word mindset is really large. That means in this product, everything talk about mindset. Everything talk about mindset. But in a nutshell, this product is a BLR product, BLR package. That's done for you everything. That done for you everything. Then you can use the product and sell as your product and as your brand. Okay, so if you still not click to the first link in this description, now click to the first link in the description. Then it will take to my bonus page here and click to any earn button here. You go to the sale page. Sale page, it look like this. Then let's see more detail about here. You can see here, this is a complete BLR package to build your list and make sale actually right by quality expert. Okay, so this is a BLR product. So if this is for who don't know what's a BLR product, right? BLR product is the product created by someone else. Okay, created by someone else that you can use and you rebrand it to your brand. Okay, the BLR product can be like a training course, a software, or a PDF. So in this product is a PDF product. Okay, so this is done for you everything. I will show you right here. You see here why grab this BLR package today, because I never see before 100% the done for you package, full research, hot niche, and we do not mean hot, professional writer in clear English, also matter, right? In clear, ready to go. Play your name on it, sell it your own, and keep all the profit. Hold the high quality content in your ebook and blog article. And the multi-billion-dollar niche, transform your client life. No need to spend your time or fraud on product creation. View your buyer list effortlessly. Right? You see here, this is the done for you everything. What you need to do, only rebrand your name and turn that to your product. Then you can sell 100% your profit. Okay, so this is done for you everything. Done for you everything right here. So here what you get. Okay, I also have everything right here, so I will show you just a little bit later. But here you see what is the mindset is, how it's like, and they show you what is the mindset is your life, the difference between the right mindset and wrong mindset, the power of choice, how it's affect to your mindset and your life. And yeah, a lot of everything, a lot of here, and they have done for you everything. They have advertising and everything. They have Gmail, everything for you. Okay, so you know that. So why you need to choose mindset product, right? So I would like to show you that there are hundreds of thousand people searching for mindset. That means this is very hot niche. really hot niche. I will show you. So I just do a quick for you. You see right now the mindset, the word mindset, that 33,000 people searching in monthlies. Everybody searching for this mindset. So 33,000 people searching in 1 month. So you can see this is a lot of people searching for this mindset, and that's mean this product a lot of people need. All right. So all right, before I will show you just a little bit later. You can go to the sale page here and enjoy yourself over here. But and I also access to everything about here. But before we go to the folder about the product, and I would like to show you my bonus page. So I have prepared a lot of my bonus that I would like to get for you. So if you still not click to the first link in the description, now click to the first link in the description, then it will take you to my bonus page like this. So holding my bonus here, I spent a lot of time put together, so I know that my bonus will help you grow your business faster. So let's see what bonus I will get for you today. Okay, so the first bonus I will get for you here. So I have 14 high quality bonus that I would like to get you. Okay, so the first bonus here is SEO keyword mastery. So in this bonus is I will show you how to find the hardest and the most profitable keyword the right way. Now every business need SEO, every affiliate need SEO. So SEO really important. So here I will show you how to do that. And the bonus number 2, I will show you do retargeting. Retargeting is really important. If you already run your Google ads, but you're not sure, you have a lot of people watching it, but you don't have any sales. So here I will show you how to do retargeting. And bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing ads. Bing ads is really important, guys. A lot of people will do Google ads, but not a lot of people do Bing ads. And the good thing about it, the Bing ads is really cheap. And also good thing about it is the old people searching on Bing ad. That means you can have a lot of money because the old people has more money. So I have include for you, show you how to do Bing ads here as well. And the bonus number 3, I show you do video marketing. Video marketing is really important, guys. Every business need video marketing. Every business need email marketing and video marketing. And now you can see any sales page right now they have video marketing. Now that means video marketing is really important. And I have also a lot of bonus here I would like to give you right here. You can see I show you how to do video. I show you do review blogging. Review blogging. A lot of people charge you a lot of money to build a blog, but here I have include for you. Okay, so I done for you everything, so I know hold my 14 high quality bonus here will help you grow your business faster. So you can see right now, hold my bonus here. You stay here. Feel free to click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page here, and you enjoy yourself to read my bonus page. My bonus page is really high quality. So everything done. So if you want to click to my bonus, what you need to do, click to the first link in the description, then click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page and you purchase the product. You click to any orange button here. You purchase the product. Then to click to hold my bonus here, you need to go to the WordPress. After you purchase the product, you go to WordPress, and there you go to your history product you already purchased. You already purchased, then you go down here, the little button here, you click on here, then you accept to hold my bonus I get for you right here. So you need to purchase the product before my countdown time hit 0. If my countdown time hit 0, hold my bonus will expire. So that's in something I don't want you do that. I really sorry about that as well. So alright, so that's everything about my bonus, right? So right now let's go deeper inside of the everything you get over here. So make sure you know that BLR product is you can sell to really high price. You can sell for really high, very high price. Okay, so here what you getting is the ebook. This ebook, you can turn this ebook to your brand. You can sell, okay? Because thousands of people searching for mindsets, okay? Thousands of people searching for mindsets. You can see here, just only 1 month, a lot of people searching for that. So you can turn this to your name, to your brand, then you can sell. You can earn a lot of money. A lot of people searching for guys. And the second here is checklist. So this checklist is show you how to do the right way. That's it. You have include this product, so that it help you go faster. You see here, this is motivation poster. This is how include in the product as well. So here is to show you how to do, you can post on Facebook, or you can do video, then a lot of people like it, then people will see your ebook, then people might interesting, people can post the product, okay? And here they have infographic, they have done for you infographic as well. You can just go here and download, then you can access to everything, okay? And also here they have sell ads. They have done for you sell ads. You can add this image. They're done for you everything, okay? What you need to do, post the product and rebrand your name and add the product, then you can earn money. Yeah, of course, you need to work hard and focus to do everything, then you can earn money. Not like you post, then you earn money. It's not like that. But you need to research and do everything carefully and do everything the right, then you can get money after that, right? They have done for you email script. Done for you everything, guys. They done for you videos, Gmail script, and they done for you lead magnet. And they have done for you mind map. They done for you RRMSR certificate. This is really neat, okay? So alright, so this is everything you getting inside of the product right here. You can see, I will show you a little bit later. I'll show you here. This is the PDF I already download here. So you see here, this is the hub. Show you everything, the chapter here. They have introduced, they have what is the mindset, the right mindset and the wrong mindset, and they have everything about in here, okay? So that's everything you're getting. Okay? Everything you're getting inside here. You see here, I have my map. My map here is really important. You need to do the right way. If you not do the right way, you will not get the result. Okay. So that's everything about here. All right. So all right, guys. So that's everything you getting inside of the product. So right now let's see what is the price, right? The price is really important. So let's see. So if you still not click to the first link, click to the first link in the description of this video. Then you scroll down to here. You see the HurricaneForce Mindset funnel in here. So here is the price from the end. If you post the product right now, the price only $17. Okay, only $17. The Mindset ebook. You will access to Mindset ebook, motivation portal, graphic, and Gmail script, checklist, sales ads, list management map, and RRMLS certificate. This is that's the third price. That's everything I show you right here. Okay, everything I show you here. And they have few upsell, okay? They have few upsell. Upsell number 1 is you will access to Mindset video, audio, plus bonus extra and more. And they have upsell number 2 is 37. Upsell number 1 is 37. Upsell number 2 also $37. And then complete the Mindset package with bundle of 3 more. Millionaire succeed, a lot of more right here. And also they have the option number 3 is $9.95 per month. So that's it. They have few upsell here, but what I recommend, you can just go to the first price And let's see, right? Let's see, you can earn, I think if you do the right way, you can earn a lot of money from the first price right here, because BLR product that you can sell a lot of money. You can buy only $15, then you can sell for $13, guys. You can sell for $13. You can know that on Amazon you can sell the ebook, right? You can sell the ebook on Amazon, or you can do advertising for that. And a lot of people searching for mindset. You see here, 33,000 people searching in monthly. So a lot of people searching for mindsets. And then hold my bonus, I already show you. You see here, hold my bonus, I will already show you how to do SEO for that. I show you how to do Google ads for that. I show you do big ads for that. So that's everything you have. So what you need to do, post the product, and you can go to advertising, everything about that, and I think it's good to go, because a lot of people searching for that. I very believe of that. And yeah, so this product created by Rob Ingold. Rob Ingold, he's one of the top affiliate marketing, and now he used the mindset, the right mindset that helped him to earn a lot of income. And right now he more freedom to travel whole the world, and he also good photography. So that's why he would like to share with you. He would like to share with you. Okay, so all right, so that's everything you need to know about the product. And make sure you know that the bonus I would like to give you here will help you sell this product really very good. You see here, I show you do SEO, I show you do Google ads, I show you do Bing ads, I show you do video marketing, I show you do YouTube channel SEO, I show you do review blogging. That's everything you need. Okay, that's everything you need to sell this product good. So yeah, so right guys, I hope everything I cover here is fully about the information you need. And also I have very cool bonus that I give for you. So make sure you purchase the product before my countdown time here. If my countdown time hit 0, my bonus will not available for you. And hold my bonus here, I spend a lot of time put together, so I know that will help you grow your business very fast. So once you purchase the product, you go to the WordPress, you go to the little button here, you will access to hold my 14 high quality bonus that I prepare for you. Okay, so alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful, and that's full information about HurricaneForce Mindset. So thank you so much, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time where I upload a new video, you get notification. So thank you so much, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.